a brother. man. Morning, everybody. My bad, it took long. I was my daughter has a trip coming up for kohanga, right? So kohanga being like a Maori like preschool, and well, there's some new rules and regulations around it. Apparently, bear with me. Apparently, you like if you're going on a trip with your kid, you have to submit, or you have to provide your license and a piece of your mail, like for your address. That's like the new standard thing with the kids' school trips these days. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's out of it, eh? It's different, but I understand why, because you know what, there's a lot of weirdos out there, eh? So you never know. And obviously the priority is children's safety. But yeah, apparently it's like the new thingy, which is yeah, I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, eh? Times have changed so much, man. Like, so much. Thank you very much, brother Aaron, for the... Sorry, my brother, geez, did I miss that as I started live? For the 31 months. And brother Valinor with the 1 year. Happy G-Day, my brother. Happy G-Day. Hope you've been doing well too, brother Valinor. Good to see you always, my bro. Hope our brother Chody has been well too. Sorry, I'm just sorting out all our chats. Sorting out all our chats for our streams. So I'm currently streaming on 4 different platforms. I missed 4 times today. But yeah, I was just sorting that out real quick, and it's really, really, really interesting, because I won't be going on the school trip. My mother will be. My mum wants to go on the school trip with my daughter. So I was just trying to wrap my head around that, pretty much. Good morning to YouTube as well. Hope you're doing well, YouTube. Morena. I see you, Athena Foof, and brother Matt. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Okay, I've lost our kick chat. Uh-oh. Hold on, chat. Uh-oh. I lost our kick chat. That's not good. I thought a witch turned you into the metal thingy behind you. No, you must always acknowledge our fence. Why? Because his name is Bob. Okay? I'm the only streamer in the world that has a fence that named itself. Okay? So please... Oh, 33. Shit, I didn't even see it. So yeah, say hello to Bob. Go Bob. Go Bob. We acknowledge you. There he is, Bob in the palm of my hand, okay? So that is a little Easter egg for the stream. Yes, I have a fence that has its own name. Beat that, XQC. Did you know? I didn't notice that till I was... So I've been living here for a number of years, and I didn't notice that till about 8 years. Wait. My fence has a name. So yes, Bob is the local superstar around here, chat. This is the local superstar. Hold on, chat. Just I'm still wrapping my head around Kick, YouTube, and all that. Okay, I think we're good now. I think we're good. I did a 2-day job with film for 33 hours. I've been on the grind. About 5 film projects in the last 2 weeks. Just got far out, my bro. Far, that's pretty handy. My man been grinding. My man's been grinding. Good to see that, my brother. Good to see that. Love to see it, my bro. I just got my sub button back on. Ooh, I see stutter. Don't do this to me, camera. Don't do this to me now. Here we go. Roll the shoulders. I think we're good. Summer is looking good for film, bro. I see the rest of the world be in summer now, eh? Like America, you guys. Oh, I was cracking it on stream. What an absolute human being. You don't get to see that all the time. Where was I? Joe Bespoke, how are you, brother? What's up, brother Snare? W crack on stream. W. And I failed to put my jacket up, so L Bozo. Where are we? So we've got Twitch over here, YouTube over here. Hey, Chotoikawa, and Kick over there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna add TikTok as well. Far out. That is a lot. That is a lot, my bros. Hoya. Sorry, I'm late, bro. We just started. No one's late, my bro. No one's late. How you, Taikawa? You been jamming Kick lately, my bro? I've just recently started using it again. I thought I'd better use it, eh? Be a waste not to. But yeah, because I haven't used my Kick channel for so long, we lost our verify or that green badge thing. But yeah, it's alright. What's up, Super Spit? How you, my bro? Yeah, so I had to sort out a few things for my daughter's trip. But in saying that, it's all sorted now. Just had the noti on and have a moment in. Oh, true, my bro. True. Yeah, well, I'll try get back into using Kick again as well. Not sure how it's gonna go. Obviously, the main will always be Twitch. But what's this like day? What's today? Thursday. This is like day 4 of multi-streaming on 4 platforms. I need to get an add-on to bloody put all the chats into one, because I've got 4 different chats on the screen. It's a good bonus. Yeah. We've been doing TikTok and Twitch for a while. I recently just been able to bring YouTube back into the mix as well. Because I felt bad not bringing YouTube in for a while, and then my setup broke and I had to sort that out. But yeah, hey, we're back now. We're back. And then we can just run it. Gosh, that guy's... You just want to give that guy a how's your father? Or Mr. Seymour? How are you, Super Pit? I see you're new to the channel as well, brother. Ooh, stutter. Do not do that to me today, please. Come on, camera. Don't do that to me today. So what we're going to be doing today as well, Fano, is we have to clean the top of that hook. So we're going to clean the top of this. So along the T here. So what I want to do is bevel that too. Also tomorrow since we obviously destroyed the sub goal when we went past, so 700, the 700 sub goal was wax my chest. 750 was hot noodles. Thank you, Alan Flores, for the rose. 800 was read the Lord of the Rings trilogy to you guys. Now, with that being said, I didn't plan any sub goals past 800. I wasn't thinking we'd get to that at all. So we'll have to. I owe you a few things, eh? We've better figure something out. Yesterday's stream was a nutty, bro. It was crazy. I went back to the analytics for yesterday's stream. You guys gifted 664 subs in the span of 10 minutes. No, not even that. 5. It was 5 minutes. That was crazy. Yesterday was crazy. I never expect anything like that in life, especially in streaming as well. And seeing that was crazy. Even TikTok too, they went crazy with the roses, galaxies. I saw a whale yesterday and a bigger whale that made a sound on the screen. Karaoke stream. Okay, we'll add karaoke stream to the mix. Hey brother, how's your day been? What's up, James? Oh, my day just started, my bro. Thank you very much, Fat Fryer, for the 2 months. We're moving up in the world, guys. I cracked it on stream for the first time. Not anything that goes here. The back. Yeah, we might have to do a karaoke stream. Karaoke stream. I'll be down. We haven't done a karaoke stream in a while. So I need to figure out where I can find the Lord of the Rings trilogy. I've never read those books, trust me. I don't read books at all. Well, I do, but the last book I read was Book of the Five Rings, and the closest thing to a book after that was Monsters Among Us, the manga from Corey. What's up, Cody? What's up, Boo Bams and Danny? What's good, Uzo? YouTube, I hope you guys have been well too. Thank you very much for joining me, Athena and Matt. So tomorrow is going to be a very painful stream. I have to wax my chest tomorrow. Do I have any chest here? Ooh, I do too. I gotta wax my chest and eat hot noodles. So yeah, that's going to be fun. And I won't be pulling the thingies. It'll be my wife. She's much more ruthless. Internet Archive. Yeah, the way I'm planning to do it, obviously I'll sit down in front of you with the book and read it. I'm going to use my iPad to play a fireplace YouTube video. Those, you know, there's 5-hour ones. Yo, Slick Llamas Rick, thank you very much for the car pie, and Joe for the palm tree. Kia ora. How are you, TikTok? Good morning. Morena. Sure, Jenny. So normally with the stream, how we all start, I like to have my coffee first, and then I'll get into it. Coffee's over there. I'll just have my breakfast and then we have a coffee. Eat the noodles and have your. I could probably do that. Yeah. Kia ora, Kyle. Che my bro. From Pōneke, Morena. How's it down in Pōneke other than windy? This is just the small apple. These are the kids' ones, so I'm one of those parents that like to eat the kids' school lunches too. I confess, I'm one of those dads. Did you play Korg? No, I didn't, brother. I didn't. Oh, it's getting cold again. Have you all waxed before? No, I don't wax at all, other than earwax. You know, when you go in and you pull out a good one, whoo, satisfying. I did have to get my ears cleaned out though before I went to America. And when the lady did the suction thing into my ear, she pulled some stuff out, some earwax, and she goes, "Do you do woodwork at all?" I said, "Yep." You know, well, you've got wood chips in your earwax. I'm like, oh, that's probably why they get blocked fast. Yeah, you're the first person that's come in with something in his ear other than earwax. Are you streaming it? Yeah, yeah, it'll be tomorrow. Hey, brother Isaac, how are you, bro? Hey, why Harness Canada? I was gonna call you Wide. How you, X-Week? Cheer, brother. Kia ora, Flynn. Joseph, thank you very much for the roses. Bro, you're gonna be stressed when you do... Wait, really? Any packs? Nah, probably not, eh? Just because baby's been born this year, she's still not gonna be that big when PAX is coming around. Even when baby was born, I was supposed to go to PAX East, but because I wanted to prioritize baby instead of going to Boston, yeah, that was more important to me. Like even today, there's an event today up in Auckland. I got invited to the the Nintendo Switch 2 launch party, but I can't go. Like, fuel prices and baby are the main reasons why I won't be going. Fuel here is too much right now. And especially when it's just going up for one event and then coming home, it's not worth. Not worth, in my opinion. How you doing from Superior, Wisconsin? Wait, there's two different Wisconsins? I have to make cheeseburgers for dinner, bro. I've been feeding a burger, eh? But it's not the right weather for it. It's been like soup and stew kind of weather lately. But I probably will. I'm probably gonna sneak off to Burger King today to hopefully give me some t-shirts. I need to give me those one-piece t-shirts, chat. But apparently they're only large. That's a bit of a scam, eh? Yeah, me and Quinn are supposed to be collabing this year. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, so there's a one-piece collab happening in the country here with Burger King. Hey, Kairos, sure, my brother. Good to see you. TikTok, can you VIP a person in chat? Because Kai comes around a lot. With a few others too. So relaxing chat, Matthias. So yeah, to those that are watching, we'll just be focusing on this area today. There might be a few little bits that we'll do. But for now, let me just have my coffee first. And hopefully tomorrow, tomorrow night we'll do our drawing as well, hopefully. I won't lie, I have been getting tired around 10 o'clock lately. Especially with, just with training now. I find myself getting tired earlier. So I made the executive decision to download Pokemon Sleep and begin the grind once more. Jay Nakura. Yeah, Namihi, my bro. Sure, but I'll take over. Yeah, just a few things going on. I'm trying to focus more on YouTube this year, especially with the podcast. I'm doing a couple episodes this week, and a few more next week as well. And something else I want to move into. Oh, I've got something this weekend, which is voice acting. So me and a few others are going to be putting our voices to the test for the old Poe. For Path of Exile, there's 700 monsters to audition for. I'll be good with one, even if it's a shitty one. You are given an unlimited supply of lumber, but only 3 tools. What are your 3 tools? Chainsaw. I can carve everything with a flat chisel. Um, and probably a big mug that refills with any drink of my choosing. Yeah, that will probably be my three options. Um, where are we? Yeah, by the normal area. So the main purpose, to those that don't know about the podcast, the main purpose of the one I'm doing, I just want to interview everyone that watches, people from the streams or from the community. I'd like to highlight people in the community. I may not know, but you may do extraordinary things away from the stream, and that's the beauty of why I want to do this podcast. That way, there might be a few big names that I'll bring into the mix, but at the moment, that's the goal. Is to interview. Say I wanted to interview Taikawa. Say I wanted to interview Kairos from TikTok. Say I wanted to interview Athena Floof from YouTube. So on and so on. That's kind of my goal. It's not so much to try and get views, it's to showcase you guys and how cool my community is. Thank you, Ludwig and Ellen. Kia ora, kia ora. Where are we here? So, don't know if you remember, but telling you I wanted to become a woodworker and a joiner, and I just got my apprenticeship. Hey, go on today. Yo, let's go, my bro. Let's go. To those that can't see it, you're not to do it. Yeah, I've been living here since 2009. If you guys don't know, someone from our Twitch chat has just got their apprenticeship today. And that's pretty cool, because you never see people take up apprenticeships these days. So definitely smash it, my bro. That's a W, my bro. W start to the day, I tell you. Thank you, brother Kairos and Nikros. Yeah, does anyone know if you can give VIP badges to people on TikTok? Can you do that? Love from Sweden? Hey, brother. Yes, a strumming. I actually liked it, I won't lie. I'll keep you updated. Yeah, brother, keep me updated, my bro. Let me know how it is. Obviously, I do a totally different type of wood carving, but I'll try and help as much as I can, my bro. Yo, brother Kairos and brother Matt, thank you very much for the roses. I forgot to buy water, so I think we might go today. Yo, Kairos, brother. Thank you very much for the galaxy. Yeah, I really need to figure out if you can give VIP badges to people in Twitch chats. Throw us some anu wave. The half bird mana wave. Hello, can I get the dolphin shout out this time, please? Okay, here we go. There you go. That's the only time you get it. Dolphin shout out, so on a global cooldown till tomorrow, okay? Jared JT, I saw your message last night, my bro. That is cool to see, brother. That's cool to see. How are you though, my bro? How are you? You're genuinely. How are you doing? If you don't want to talk here, we can talk in the DMs too. Off to play Guardian Maya. All good, my bro. Have a good one. And sure, have some fun on it, my bro. That is definitely one game I'm looking forward to. Guardian Maya. They gave me my place for 5 days a week. Work 1 day in college, and I'm starting in September. But it's all hand carving and working. Oh, that's fucking cool, bro. Sure. Bro, that's on. That's on, my bro. Bro, you cracked it, brother. That's on. And it's cool that you have people that are... Oh, bro, I'm sorry to say this, brother, if you don't mind, but I'm fucking proud of you, my bro. I'm actually proud of you, brother. Good job. W Mans, my bro. W Mans. Hey, what's up, Dylan, over on YouTube? Good morning, bro. Have a great day. Love your work here from Surfers Paradise. Cheer, my bro. Evan Surfers, eh? Jordan and Kyle. My friend Kyle right here. He was walking down a long and lonesome road. What's that song? And we played the first thing that came to our head. Just so happened to breathe the best song in the world. Well, I love Jack Black. I know a lot of people hate the way he is, but I love it, eh? My wife hates it, which makes me love it even more because it annoys her. And I do all his lines from every single movie he's been in. Look into my eyes and it's easy to see. 2 and 1 make 2, 2 and 1 make 3. It was destiny. Once every 100,000 years ago, when the sun does shine and the moon does grow and the dust does flow. Hey bro, have you played Red Dead Redemption? One of my all-time favorite games, brother. I have done a good ending and a bad ending. And I've done another ending just cause, yeah. I feel like the game has more impact when you play Arthur as a good guy though. It's heavy, bro. It's heavy. As a grown-ass man that has cried 3 times whilst completing that game, I'll probably do it for a 4th sometime soon. Have you played Black Ops? No, I haven't. Nah.
Scandaples can't wait for the LOTR stream.
Cheer, brother Low Gains. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, so I have to go and find those books. I'll probably go look around this weekend. Or is this Black Ops 6 meme like Battlefront 3? Is that like the meme? Thank you, William, for the big Z's. Got both Twitch and Kick going. Got to support. Hey, appreciate you, brother Snare Drum. Such a good game. I got 99% done. Yes, bro. Even like all the little things in between, eh? Bro, it's on. I gotta say, I don't have a hat on, but I take my hat off to Roger Clark every time, man. Hello from Belfast, Ireland. Hey, brother, how's it going in Ireland? Yo, JT, we should jump in a Discord call, brother, even if we're talking about nothing. I'm keen to just have a cordial on my bro. Hello, Stephanie. Stephen. Thank you very much for the sunglasses, my bro. We'll start soon, chat. I've almost finished my coffee. So, I started eating properly or dieting. When did I start? Friday, not last week, the week before. I weighed myself this morning. I am at 140 from 146. Yeah, it's whew. It's been good. Like, I feel better. Like, even though I'm going to bed earlier, I'm trying not to do like stay up too late and play games, like as much as I'd love to. Trying to think about the bigger picture, you know. Trying to. All right. And we played the first thing that came to our head. It just so happened to read the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look into my eye. Oh, I shouldn't sing that, eh? I might get pinged from YouTube. Better watch out for that. So today, yeah, we're carrying on with the fishhook today, whānau. Just little things once again. It's always the little things on a piece that take the longest. Dude, are you related to Mailato? You could be brothers. Hey, he's my favorite NFL player. Not so much for playing for my favorite team, but before we carry on, I'm not an asshole Eagle fan. You know, I see some of them are quite big on the asshole spectrum. I'm not one of them, okay? I love the Eagles and Green Bay, because the bro's playing for Green Bay as well. I just had to put that out there because, you know, I saw that one guy, they were giving that lady a hard time at the Eagles Stadium and I felt bad for her. I don't even know who she is, but still. Straight up. Be you angels? And we said, nay, we are but men. Yo, who's there? Balin Stalin, thank you very much for the tier 1, my brother. Get used to that too, chat. Blow off Valve of Doom. Woo! TMN, you better watch it, I'm a taken man. I just don't wear my wedding ring when we're working, that's all. Morena Ehoa, glad to see your face to start my day. Hey Alice. No. Hi. Hey girl, how you doing? Alright, Fano, let's start. Keep in mind, I am a very goofy person in nature too. Oh, yup. Oh, yup. Gosh. What part are we finishing today? Just the very top. Just the very top. Hey girl, how you doing, Cameron? What's the tea today, girl? Slimming up, G. Trying to, my bro. Trying to. But I'm enjoying it at the same time, my brother. So we're starting at we started at 146 kgs to everyone that don't use the metric system, you know. Not taking a stab at all, but you know. My goal was to get to 100 first. I don't want to be anything lighter than that. I don't want to be in double digits. I was in double digits one time back in the day and I did not like it. It's too light. It's too light for my liking. The lowest I've been is 85. You doing a calorie deficit? No, bro. I don't even know what to do for calorie deficits, eh? I've been watching evidence-based training guy. That guy with the impressive spin kicks. I've been trying to lock in, but and listen to his stuff. I just gotta get my head around that kind of stuff. Like, I know the one food group that my body reacts to the hardest is carbs, so I kind of just portion that. I try and make sure that I have like proteins in the evenings, pretty much. Can you send me your regards? Fold letter. I send you my regards, JJAKUB. Kind regards there, sir. You all good though? Thank you for the roses, guys. Hey, what's up, Thrifty? Whatever works for you, brother. So I don't really know too much about, you know, calorie deficit. I just been trying to like portion my food. And if I'm like feeling, if I want to like, you know, something sweet, like say for example I want a chocolate, I try and balance it out with a fruit as well, so something healthy. I'm gonna get back into the healthy eating, remove a bit of stress. Yeah, brother, I feel that. 85 kgs was the lowest I've ever been, and that felt yuck. I didn't like it. And I wasn't even on anything, I was just training, running. Yeah, there was a point in my life where I was running, chat. You wouldn't even believe it with this peak male physique. Talking about Kai habits. Yeah, what I've been trying to do is create healthy Kai habits.
The _ trader cheered Dex 100. Keep it up.
Have you given? Yes, the dolphin shout out has been given out already. The global cooldown will be up at 9:30 AM tomorrow. Who knows, if I'm in a good vibe, I might even give out another one. Yogurt and honey is a cheat code. Hey bro, yogurt and honey, true. What's up, Vic? How are you, brother? Good morning, brother. We're talking about healthy food habits. Thank you very much once again for yesterday, Vic. Straight up. I think I was born as a little fry bread. I live off... Bro, I love fry bread too. Have you tried that ice cream and fry bread trend? So I saw a trend on TikTok where people would cook fry bread, open it up, and put a magnum in it. I probably won't do it these days, but you know. Yo, what's up, Luke? How you, brother? What are you making? We are doing a fish hook, brother. Oh well, it's almost. Oh, it's pretty much molded. All we're fixing up or cleaning up really is the very top of it. Let me get a cover for the sun. You know how people have green screen shit? I'll just use a towel to cover the sun. He taura. Just so I can see the chat, that's all. Yeah, try that out if you're a fry bread lord. I just seen it on TikTok. It was a big trend at one point. Hey, what up, 22? How you, brother? So if you didn't know, to everyone that's watching, we are live everywhere today. From Twitch to TikTok to YouTube to Kick. Everywhere. So today I'm a multi-streaming chat, guys. Time to get another gift trade. Hey. Thank you, Neon Wolf Lover, for the 5 ice cream cones. Let me try and get you down closer. What's your nationality? Maori. Or, you know, indigenous. The indigenous people of New Zealand, or Aotearoa as we call it. Is that close enough? I just want to make sure you have a good angle too. I'm chilling today. You, as you should. Geez, you went crazy yesterday. So have you cooked anything today, bro? Also, I don't know, TikTok, I've got to ask you guys. My algorithm has led me to AI, Bigfoot, Yowie, and Yardfoot. Thank you, Blue Jay, for the galaxy, and Milan for the roses. So there's people that are using their like wilderness videos of them, like, you know, say for example you're not as hardcore as the Wild Boys, and they're using AI to overlap their videos to make it look like they're Bigfoot. It's like this one guy goes, hey guys, I'm in my idol, the abominable snowman, and it's just some guy out in the wilderness that's doing it by himself, and he's overlapped this video as him as Bigfoot. It's an interesting algorithm that I'm currently on right now. Much love from the island of Hawaii. Hey, much love, my Kanaka. Hey, Kairos, thank you. What is that? Fish and chips. Fish and chips, eh? Far, that actually sounds gangster right now, but I'm trying not to. AI Bigfoot TikTok is something I've never reached. Yeah, you gotta check it out. They're actually pretty funny. Like the Yowie is an Australian variant. And he's like, oh, okay, I'm out in the fucking wilds today, guys. What we need to do today is try and keep the utmost camouflage and not be seen by the locals. And it just shows him running next to a kangaroo. I found one of the locals. It's weird. If I find it, I'm gonna share it to the Discord. Sending love from the North Island. Hey, I'm from the North Island too. He's probably just sending it down the road. Yeah, AI is getting out of hand, eh? Like my cousin, or not my cousin, my wife's cousin, he got scammed. Or his Facebook got hacked. But at the same time, I'm like, bro, who uses Facebook anymore? His Facebook got hacked, and whoever did it, they made a video of him saying, I just done this new money trick, and it was a video of him putting money all over the bed. And And obviously, we knew what he was like, and he was never good with his money, so we knew straight away something was up. Heard NZ politician made deep fake news and showed them in Parliament. Probably, I wouldn't be surprised with how papega this current government is. Dara Cassidy, thank you very much for the roses. Brox is up with the trends. Also, this is pretty bad, but I stayed up pretty late watching stonemason TikTok last night. Bro, stone carving is satisfying, bro. Even though they're just going, it's the final product, bro, and I was like, oh, busting a nut over the processes. Not literally, but you know. It was just cool to see, like, as time went on, what they were making, and then you slowly saw it start to, see it start to take shape. So that was pretty cool to see. Thank you very much, Isaac. Did I say your name right, my brother? What wood are you using? We are using Totara. Totara. The most Twitch thing. Oh, trust me, Vic. Oh, bro. It's pretty papega, my bro, over here. Another day, another Doug. What's up, Chuggins, sorry. Yeah, so yesterday, because this, the current government has been having, you know, the smoothest rap sheet for majority. Yesterday they took away the rights to, for prisoners to vote. They took that away, and now far out. It's funny. Yo, B Briggs, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I don't really get too political. I'm not anywhere near like Hassan or anything. Anyone on TikTok, it's not really my thing. Obviously, my thing is wood carving, but yeah, it's pretty papega. Thank you, Just Henry and Toby. And currently in bed enjoying your masterpiece. Hey, cheers. Whoa. I almost said your name. Hey, that's actually quite smart, your profile picture as well. We've got someone in the TikTok chat with the Diddler's first name. The Diddler. Amelnum foil, far out, I butchered that, eh? It's a softwood, my bro. I'll have to show you some of my wood products that yeah, bro, Kairos, you should. Kairos, if you have a Twitch channel, I really gotta add the Discord link to my TikTok. Because one thing I want to see is everyone's, you know, what everyone gets up to. Like, what do you guys enjoy? Even if it's art. Got exam tomorrow. Have a good one, brother. Hey, get some sleep, my bro. Good luck on your exam. And come back to the stream when you're done, my bro. When you're ready. I have no clue about the NZ. Only seen the viral video of the haka being used. Oh, yeah, bro. It's talking about and then showing wood is crazy. Yeah, I should not be mentioning his name while, you know, touching wood in the morning, you know. Bro, every time his songs come on the radio, bro, when I'm driving, straight change. I am watching from Germany. Kia ora. Sandre, thank you for the roses. So, what we're doing today, so the current plan is basically to clean this part of the carving up. We'll most likely bevel it too, make sure it's nice. Everything here that you see within the fish hook itself is in a good place. I like where it's at right now, so there's really no need to do anything to it. And for me personally, might be a few little things here and there, but all in all, the whole thing in general is in a good place where I'm happy. And I gotta ask a favor of you guys too. If anyone is watching the PlayStation thing today, can you tell me if they do a Final Fantasy IX reveal remake? I'm watching from Hawaii. Hey, what's up, Kanaka? Yeah, if they do a Final Fantasy 9 reveal today, can you let me know? I still haven't watched the Witcher gameplay too. I'm kind of saving it to watch live. Maybe tonight. And if you have Elden Ring Night Rain and you watch the stream on Twitch at any time, let's party up, alright? You kill everything, I'll take all the loot. No. Oh, I shouldn't say that on TikTok Live. Oops. Watching from Scotland. Share my brother. You already beat the game? Damn. Did you see that there was a guy that beat the game that didn't pass level 1? I think it might be let me solo her. It has to be. Yeah, he beat the game all solo by himself while staying at level 1. That's bloody crazy, bro. Crazy work. What's going on, mate? From England. Hey, kia ora, brother. Hey, not much, my bro. It's a pretty chill day today. Just getting some more progress done. The main thing we gotta do soon is draw up the design, and then we get back into the carving side once again. Watching from Germany. I'll see you tomorrow. It's getting late. All good, brother Kairos. You have a good sleep, my brother. Thank you very much once again. And I'll try and get their Discord link to you guys so you can join. Seems like you've got a lot of talented people in the Discord chat too. And I'd love to see what you guys do, get up to. I've been trying to learn how to... Do you live in the US? No, brother. I live in Aotearoa, or NZ. Hey, appreciate you, brother Kairos. Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much. No name for the roses and Din for the manawa. I can send the Discord link. Oh, yes, please, my bro, if you can. Where's NZ? Next to Australia. Also, I think I'm going to play Baldur's Gate again as well, chat. I'm still feeling to play tabletop D&D, but as someone that doesn't have enough time to do so. I might just play BG3 again. Down, down, down by the river. Down, down, down by the river. Ciao, brother Chris. Kei te pēhea koe, my bro. Morena, morena. Where in NZ are you from? Oh, I'm from Bay of Plenty or Rotorua. So it's the town that smells like rotten eggs due to all the geothermal activity. I started playing a game recently. True. Oh, bro, I really want to jam tabletop D&D, eh? I just yeah, I don't have the time, eh? To jam a campaign. Maybe when the girls get older, I'll be able to. I've been watching one of the bros play D&D on Twitch. Just been watching his D&D campaign. Those vocals though, I'm alright. Baldur's Gate is great. They made basically a whole new game inside of with mods and wait, there's a new campaign? I still haven't done like a Karlak run. She's the main reason why I played Baldur's Gate 3. I'm not afraid to admit that, chat. Say it with my chest. Karlak Stan. That's what they call it, eh? Stands. Okay. rugby and travelled the North and South Island. Oh, nice, bro. It's amazing down south, eh? I want to go back down there at one point in life, brother. With my kids or with my wife. Because me and my wife spent our honeymoon down there. We didn't want to travel outside the country, just too much, eh? It costs too much while we're trying to save. We started saving for our house like last year. Supporting the Chiefs on the weekend? Most likely, my bro. I haven't really watched much Super Rugby this year, to be honest. Well, I haven't really watched much TV. Yeah, I find myself watching less and less TV as I get older. Okay. Che Valoon, morning, my bro. You're getting hit by an evil tornado. Oh, jeez, what platform do you jam on, brother? Games? I sometimes play the PS5 for a little bit, or on the PC. If you mean streaming, I'm streaming everywhere right now. So if you're on Kick, I'm over there. If you're on Twitch, I'm over there too. YouTube. We're trying it all today, my bro. Can you even raid people on Kick? Can you do that? My siblings are doing for our dad's 60th. Hey, too much, my bro. Whakairo pai tērā, my bro. What are you making? Fish hook. Oh, well, we've done most of it here. So we've got majority of the fish hook done. We're just doing the last bit of it at the top. So that's where, so I'm going to do a lashing so the bro can hang it. So it'll be pretty simple, like just do 2 loops and then they come into one, and then he can hang it up if he wants. Or he can just turn it around and stand it on that. It's really up to the bro. Thank you, Lloyd. Oh, I can hear my daughter, she's awake. Will you remove the middle part? Yeah, we'll remove the middle part towards the end of the piece. So the main reason why we keep it there till the end is just to keep all that strength there. Keep all that strength there within the timber, because once we remove it too early, we lose a lot of strength as well. Like, we lose a lot of it, and we don't want that just yet. You kind of want to keep it there till, well, for as long as we can, really. Yeah, try and keep it there for as long as possible, my bro. That's the goal anyway, just to, well, the middle section's there. Because the one thing we don't want to do is remove it. And, you know, it'll be more prone to snapping if we ever put it back in the vise. And that is the one thing we do not want. The only hard part about what we're doing right now is carving on end grain. That can be the one annoying thing about this. Yeah, if there's anyone that's keen to play in any of the chats, yeah, go and have a jam. For J Rod, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. What's up, Tom? How are you, brother? Chat, I might just go and check on baby and my wife. She's been a bit unsettled, so I think it's kind of the the dad guilt coming out. So let me just go and check to see if she's okay. Okay, carrying on, she said. Carry on, it's fine. Alright, is that Maui's hook? Something similar to it, my bro, but not really. So this is gonna be a decorative piece. So what we're doing is just cleaning up this side now. Try and get all those saw marks out. That's the main thing that we have to do right now. There you go. Ingrain, bro. Ahoha. Nathan Eggy. Thank you very much for joining us today, and hello. Much love, my friend. Have a pleasant rest of your carving. Thank you, Aurball. Thank you for the hearts too, my bro, and you have a good day. To those that may be going to bed, to those that may be going out to enjoy their day as well, have a good one. Have a good one, alright? Yeah, we're just trying to clean this up for now. Seja, thank you very much for the manawas. Kia ora, kia ora. You talked about the PlayStation thingy and Final Fantasy. They are releasing of Tactics. I was hoping for a Final Fantasy 9 remake. Since they're remaking everything. Any good titles announced today at all? Like, at all? Because I feel like the PlayStation thing last year was a bit of a hit and miss, eh? Thank you, brother Donny. You have a good day too, my bro. Yo, 4J, thank you for the roses today, brother. Yeah, once we clean this up, and then we'll bevel it too, and then that'll be done. I mean, I could design this too. We could chuck a little cheeky design on. Cheer from Waitara. Morning, my bro. Hope all is well up there, my bro, in the south. I was supposed to come up to Auckland today, but not worth it. With how dear fuel is right now. I got invited to the Nintendo Switch 2 launch party today, chat, but going up just for one thing with how expensive fuel is right now is didn't sound like a wise thing to do. Since me and my wife are, are budgeting. Yeah, I've got to go and talk to my mum today about Nan's headstone, so I've got to talk to you about that. Do you ever use varnish? Yeah, I do. It kind of depends, you know, what I want to use at the end of the projects. Because I never really know either. Don't come to Auckland unless you have to. Yeah. I mean, I could, but I'll be honest, I don't really want to just for one thing. I don't mind missing out on a, you know, Nintendo Switch launch party. It's not necessarily a, you know, prio. I appreciate the invite nonetheless, but yeah, doesn't seem like a wise decision to just go up to Auckland for one thing. Unless I'm up there for a little bit. I always have one side perfect and the other side is off. Normally when it comes to the symmetry side, but I just take my time, you know. I always measure. Sometimes I just use my fingers, you know, measure one side, measure the other, make sure it's symmetrical. Those are the kind of things I always keep in my mind when I'm at that point within the carving, making sure everything's even, everything's in the right place. Whether I'm using a ruler or just my hands. What are you making? Well, we've finished molding a fish hook, brother. At the moment, what I'm carving or what I'm cleaning is just the very top of it. So we're just getting rid of some excess timber that we don't need anymore. At the same time, we're cleaning it up too. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean you shouldn't clean it, you know? If it's there, touch it up. Woo. Just skim through it. Yeah, bro, I'd just do that too. Just skim through and see what the titles are. Got any plans for today, or you just chilling? Just carving today, my bro. Carving today. Tomorrow is gonna be a bit of a different one. Because we hit sub goal on Twitch yesterday. Well, we hit 2 and then some. I have to wax my chest tomorrow. Have to wax my chest tomorrow. There was 1 sub goal, and I have to read Lord of the Rings to the chat as well. So I have to find the Lord of the Rings trilogy somewhere in Rotorua too. I've never read those books, by the way. Yeah, so heimato, so normally they're worn as pendants. You'd normally find them around, you know, people's necks. And that's what the bro wanted. He wanted his carving to be a heimato. And I said, oh yeah, all good, brother, I got you. And that's why we're carving one today. Normally, yeah, the pendants are made out of tonamu or nephrite jade. There we go. There we go. So that's one section cleaned. So we've got to do the other one now. So just cleaning little 1%ers today. That's about it. This one, this is just going to be a decorative piece. No one's wearing it. Yeah, whoever would wear this will have to have a neck like... You remember that guy that went viral for his mugshot and he had like a one neck to rule them all kind of thing? Bro, that dude had a neck, eh? Shoosh. Remember seeing him for the first time and going, holy necromancer. Genuinely, the first thought that came to my mind, holy necromancer. Got an A in my English exam today as a Norwegian male tuning in quick. Love to watch your work. Hey, Glizzy, congratulations. First of all, brother. Sensational W, my bro. Sensational. Love to see it, brother. Very proud of you, my brother. And keep going, my bro. I'm always happy to see people from the chats, whether you're on whatever platform you're on today, succeeding in life. Absolutely love that, my bro. Okay. Might have to bust out the ruler real quick. In your free time, do you also play something or do like any sports? In my free time, if I'm not being a dad, I just pretty much just go to the gym, brother. Like, I don't really play any sports these days. I don't really have the time to. But anything, when it comes to anything physical, the only thing would be, yeah, gym. Go to the gym, my bro. Where's the pencil? I've only recently gone back into it. Because I went off the rails when it was intentional. I did it on purpose. I went off the rails when my daughter was born. I was like, hey, W, I'm keen to just stream, stay home, and eat anything. Yeah, had my little holiday period, brother, when baby was born, and now back on again. Back to dieting once more, my bro. Every time you come up on my FOP, I make sure... Hey, appreciate you, man. Yo, Woody, thank you very much for the GGs. What are you building? So we're currently carving a heimato, or official, like the main... All the main kind of molding is done. Like, everything's done. What I'm doing right now, we're just touching up the end piece here. So once we bevel it, do all of that. I think I might design it too. Like, design the side, or the front. When you have a kid, you really start to appreciate what you have, pretty much, brother. And I'll be honest, when they're not around, the times I appreciate is a silent house. Bro, you find solace in silence, bro, straight up. Yeah, I'm just happy with you. I don't really do much things other than be a dad and stream, and in my free time just go train. I'm happy. Yeah. No way is this the guy. Hey Silver, how are you? Are you watching Money in the Bank? If I remember, I'll be honest, WWE's kind of an L right now. They got rid of the most coolest superstar ever. I was hoping R-Truth be the one to take the title off John Cena. That would have been cinema. I guess another thing I haven't really been happy with WWE lately is we'll do this. I'll reenact like I'm in the WWE office. Oh my gosh, IP726, thank you for the galaxy. Thank you, my bro. So let me reenact Triple H Thank you very much, my bro. I'll reenact Triple H in the office. So you probably never said this. Okay. We're gonna hire Penta. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna hire Penta. He's gonna become, immaculate within the WWE. Now, looking at all his matches, I want him to lose them all, bro. You bring in Penta, and then he just skyrockets, in terms of becoming a superstar. But bro, let them win some matches, bro. I tell you. Well. If it isn't that goddamn bastard King Tiger. How are you, King Tiger? Cheer, my brother. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the way what they're doing with Penta. I mean, bro. I'm not a fan. This looks sick, mate. Thank you, brother. Looks like Pudgy. Meat for the grinder. Hello there. They only want Penta to be Ray Phoenix. Yes, bro. They need to give Penta a solo run. That's why I haven't really been liking what they've been doing. BMW or Mercedes? I'll be honest, I like a BMW E36e. Yeet or no yeet. 4 letters, 1 word. Ooh, yeet. Now you know which side I'm on. Yeah, I'm glad he won the title. I know there's a lot of people that hate that he's the champion, but I mean, stay mad. Stay mad, eh? That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I think out of all the new signees, yeah, bro, it's cool to see Jacob in there, bro. I hope he just straight up dips with like Solo Sikoa and all them. I hope he dips from that and just does his own thing. Cause bro, he's got it all, eh? The man on the promos, the moves. It's cool to see. Oh, yo, brother Max, glad to see you doing your thing, man. Keep being you. Thank you very much for the $10 over on YouTube, brother. Yo, thank you very, very much, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself too, my bro, and thank you for joining the YouTube stream as well. Yo, Bucks, I love you so much, dude. It's Link Ultra from... I remember that name. Yeah, I remember seeing that Link Ultra name. Roman back soon. Yeah, where is Roman? Is he doing another movie? How you been though, Link? I've been trying to catch one of your streams in ages and normally asleep, so I'm happy. Hey, cheer, Aces. Trust me, once we get to the designing phase, I will change the schedule up slightly to cater to those that can't watch in the later times for me. So normally, or what I'd like to do, so this is my ideal. So my ideal start time of stream, like what I'd like to do. Hold up. So if I had the chance to say the day we get our whare, our house, stream schedule will most likely change. I'd like to start streaming at 4 AM in the morning. When it comes to like designing you can, I won't be loud as start again on YouTube. Why don't you? Oh, you did, sorry. Yeah, so I would, like, the ideal time for me to start carving in the designing process, I'd like to start at 4 in the morning. And probably finish up at, like, 7 o'clock in the morning. So do that. Then finish up at 7. Yeah, I'd like to start at like 4 a.m. if we were ever doing the designing phase. And like I'd just like to genuinely try and carve within those hours, that window there, for the people that don't really get to see it live. Hence the reason why we do those late ones inside sometimes. That's the main reason, is just to cater to all my followers or everyone that follows me to see, Whakairo live. That's pretty much my reasoning behind it. Yeah. Love your work, bro. I'm from Long Island. Kia ora, bro. What's the time in Long Island? Nah, seeing the brings me. Oh, true. What does it mean when you say you were gonna bless the greenstone you showed yesterday? So in our culture, normally if you're about to send something away or part from it, sometimes putting, blessing it and seeing it on its way is something we do. Like with every single carving that I've sent outside of the country, I've done a karakia or a prayer to it. Just look over the household or the person you're about to be with. Look after them. Because within Maori culture, when Whakairo was discovered, it was actually discovered by Tāne Mahuta, who is the god of the forest and all its living things. And the first carving he ever saw was one that could speak. And in our culture we say everything we carve, everything from the taio or from the world, has a life force or mana of its own. And that's just kind of what I'm doing, just acknowledging it. Acknowledge me. So just acknowledging it and just, asking it to watch over whoever it may go to. That's pretty much the way we see things, Everything within the living world has mana or has a life essence of its own. Yeah. Morena, good to see another Kiwi streamer. Hey, Morena, che, welcome to the stream. We're just talking about why I do karakia for some of the carvings that I send away. So yeah, that's my reasoning why I do it, just to, like with Coil's piece. If you don't know who Coil is, he's one of the owners of NoPixel, big GTARP server. So I carved him something and then I blessed it on the day before I sent it away, asking it, to watch over him and his father, because obviously he has a wife and a son. To watch over them for the rest of its life, I guess. Talofa from Hawaii. Hey, what's up, my bro? Mahalo nui for being here, brother. What's the time in Hawaii? Have you seen the big statue in Taupo? I think I've seen a picture of it. I haven't been to Taupo in a long time. What, 12:30 at night? Must be, eh? So that's the reason. So that's my reasonings why bless everything I do before I send it out of the country. Did you do any carvings in Whakairo? Nah, I haven't done any carvings in Whakairo. So the only place where I know some of the pieces that I've been a part of are like projects, whakatane, mātātua, one of the mātātua marais, one of 3. So there's some carvings that we got to do there. Where am I looking? Belgium, the Pomo Mahara there, and then there's some here in Rotorua. Even got to be one of the many carvers that got to contribute towards Te Matatini as well. And the Air Force marae, we got to carve that. What else? There's heaps, eh? There's heaps. Thank you very much, Victor, for the rose. I missed the Blair Plenty so much. Oh, P is so beautiful. Yeah, my My wife is from Whakatane, just over the hill there. And yeah, bro, I remember playing at Ohope. Where's your jacket? It's just hanging up. It's hot. It's just on the side there. Thank you, Talia. Ngā mihi nui tuahine. So yeah, that's my reasonings as to why I bless everything I do. If it's going to be sent to someone, you know, look after them, watch over them, and ward away anything negative that tries to come towards them. That's the main reason. Well, that's my reasonings as to why I bless every carving that I do. Thank you, Talia. Hey. Are you from New Zealand? You have an accent. Yeah. I'm from Aotearoa, brother. I'm a Maori, and apparently I'm half Cronin. Hey, it's not a circle; it's a regular circle. Yeah. Anyway, let's get back to working. I feel like I'm yapping now. If I really want to try again and try not to. Views, yeah, bro. Just do it for fun, brother, and the views will come. Just remember to make sure you utilize TikTok, my bro. Everyone's on TikTok, even me. Because you're magic people to me. You're magic people to me. Throw your head up high, let your voices fly. Proud to be Maori. As you all know, chat, I am a proud Maori. Always have been, always will be. Are you perhaps from New Zealand? I am. We need a Rawiri Waititi feature. I feel like we'd just be talking a lot of shit about the old days. I remember having a kōrero with Rawiri ages ago, just talking about home and our kaumātuas. Kaumātua is like our elders, chat. And yeah, I appreciate those types of conversations. He knew I was from Tūhoi, so he knew straight away, oh, Tūturu. Tūturu fella over here. And I keep forgetting to ask him, where do you get your cowboy hats from, bro? Because I want one. I want one as well, mate. Where are we? Your work is amazing. You're amazing, Sugar Mama. Sugar Mama! That reminds me of Proud Family. What is it that you carve? Shout out from the Philippines. We are carving a fish hook, my brother. Who remembers Proud Family? Wow, that's an old school cartoon. Family, family, proud family. They'll make you see, they make you wanna feel. A family, proud family. They'll push your buttons and make you wanna hug them. Wow, what an old school cartoon. Damn, that's some memories right there. They got a remake? Really? That's probably where their name came from, Rock. Spot on. Sugar Mama. Sugar Mama reminds me of my nan. Blunt hairs. I'll give myself some nachos right now. That's the uncle way. Yeah. Oh. I'll give me some nachos. Nan vibes, they got no filter. 100%, man. My nan had none. She had no filter. But that's what I loved about her. She was just straight up. Who is this for? Someone from the Twitch chat, my bro. So in my Twitch chat, I have a thing where a chat redeem. Sorry if you can't see me. I have a chat redeem. If you redeem 1 million channel points, then you get yourself a free carving. And this is one of them. This is the 3rd time it's ever been redeemed. In the 5 years of my chats, or my Twitch channel's history. So yeah. We go for a wee bit, my man. Grateful to even pass a month as a Twitch streamer, you know, because it's not easy. It definitely is not. Wasn't there a theme song, Destiny Child? Oh, did they? What's up, Bucci? I don't know. Did Destiny's Child sing the song? Like even my nan. So one Christmas we had, they were doing a family video. And my cousin went to my nan, what do you want to say to all the family over in Aussie? What do you want to say to all the family over in Aussie for Christmas? And she said, go to hell. And then you just hear all of us laughing in the background. It's like, go to hell. Get away. Yeah, that's what I genuinely loved about my nan. She just, yeah, bro, blunter than a bloody hammer, bro. Do you like fishing? Yes, I do love fishing, but here's the punchline. I've caught more magic carp in my life than real fish. Yeah, we have the same nan, pretty much. Yeah, I've caught more magic carp in my life than real fish. Unfortunate, you know, my catch to not catch ratio is very outbalanced. So yeah, next summer we need to work on that. At least try and get one. Yeah. I didn't catch much this summer. He's making a big fish like he's fishing. Crazy. Honestly, same. I can't catch any big fish either. I saw this game on YouTube. It's a fishing game, but the difference is you fish for the, you go fishing, and then this guy pulls out like a semi-auto, and then all the fish start jumping out, and you gotta clap them all. Oh, it was Beyonce's sister who sang it. Oh, okay. You're supposed to catch the fish when fishing? I just got sunburned. What about this one? So me and my grandfather, this is another story with my, did you look into some headstones last night? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I still wanna get a book one, eh? I still want to get a book one. It's I gotta start ringing up some people and getting like estimates of prices. So story time with my grandfather. I was around 6 years old. 6 years old when we went hunting one day. 6 years old. We went hunting one day. We took our rifle. We were searching for about 5 hours. No signs within the two of any deer. No rooting in the ground from any boar or any, anything. We were looking around. And then my koro just goes, let's go home. But we did catch something. We did catch something as we were going home. We get home. My koro puts it on the bench, my grandfather, and my nan starts laughing. She goes, is that what you's caught? Here's the punchline. We went to the bush to look for a deer or a pig, and we come back with an eel. Yes. We're all prepared to look for a deer or a pig. Five hours later, we come out with an eel. And, the absolute roasting we got from my grandmother was, Thanos level, got all the gems type roast. I was like, oh, this is actually sad. Then she looked at me. Did you only get an eel? I'm 6. I couldn't even use the rifle. What are you looking at me for? But the catch line is, I had to get in the bloody water and get it. My dumb ass just went, okay, Koro. Got it. Yeah. Okay, Koro, I'll get it. Hey, we got an eel. And yeah, that was the next one. So you made your grandson go in the water on a rainy day and get the eel, and not yourself, you fat shit. And he goes, hey, at least we got something. You go, hey, at least we got something. Thank you very much, Big Puppy. And Adjun, sorry, brother. So yeah, there was that, and I ended up getting sick the next day because of it. But hey, at least we had smoked eel with some brown honey and some brown sugar. It was nice. But yeah, the absolute decimation from my nan, verbal decimation from my nan to my grandfather, I'll never forget that. That was funny. Fed the final, yeah. It was nice though, yeah. You should try going to northern Norway. There's where the big fish are. Oh, really? What kind of fish is there? No, what I want to try and catch is a sturgeon. Ah, those are big, eh? Those are big, bro. Is Black Ops 6 like the new Battlefront 3 meme? I gotta know, eh? I really don't know, actually. Is it? Or what's those big, those big bloody fin with the saw fin things, eh? I was watching people in Florida, man, there. I feel like they're, how you got bogans in Australia, and there's people in Florida that are an actual, god tier variant of a bogan from Australia. Bro, they're loose as in Florida, eh? And I was watching this one guy in Florida, he's like, okay, let's catch some fish. He grabs these little cherry thingies and throws them into the lake, and he goes, there's our fish, go and grab them. I was like, bro, holy, they're loose as. Is that like a thing? Even I watched another one, it was, they sounded like they were hillbillies. And they lived in Florida, and they opened the back door, and they're like, oh, Greg's on the lawn again, big freaking alligator. And trout in Texas. Ooh, I used to do the mean in Texas too, eh? I wish I could be as positive as you, bro. I'll be honest, I don't have positive days all the time, brother. Not all the time. Noodling. What's that? Oh, when they go in the water, eh? I seen that, bro. I would never, bro. That's scary, bro. When they do that stuff, like they put their hand in and they go, hang on. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Not for me. One man robbed the KFC with an alligator. Okay, where's that video? I want to watch it. That's bad, but also badass at the same time. Noodling. Yeah, no, I've watched quite a few. And it's young kids that do the noodling too, eh? The kids will go in and then boom, big catfish. Oh, bro. The nuts on these kids, man. Steel. Bro. Yeah, no, I was impressed. I was impressed by all the people that do that. I wouldn't. I'm too scared. When I worked in the States, it was wild. Oh, yeah, how so? Yeah, it just seems a lot of people are a lot of people that I know are moving to Miami, Florida. Like one of the bros, Zolo, just moved there, and the bro Mateo just moved there. Yeah, I'm in Minnesota, and our ancestors jumped right in the river with the kayak. Oh, I can believe that. Yeah, I can believe that. Miami is overrated. Yeah, it looks too flash for me. I'll be honest, I didn't go much. I went to Vegas and Anaheim, but I'll say Vegas was it was hardcore there, man. Bro, I had to have the hotel room I was staying in. I had to have the bloody the cooling system on and whatever the lowest cold was because I was that hot. No matter what anybody says. I just listened to Big X the Plug. Apparently Texas is good too. Don't mess with Texas. I would love to go to Florida only for the beaches and the fishing. Yeah, I bet the fishing there is go today. Exists in northern Norway, but also the salmon. Oh, bro, I love salmon, eh? I'd be keen. I'd be keen on that. Bro. Yeah, I'm a California roll man. I'm a California roll Andy Chet. I know it's a very simple dish, but it is my utmost favourite. Uh, it's Men's Mental Health Month. Oh, trust me. Like I said yesterday, I'll say it to all the brothers in the chat. I know it's hard for all of us to open up and express how we feel. You know, we're constantly fighting with our own thoughts every day, brothers. Hey. But genuinely, if I have to say something directly to any brother that is struggling right now, you're not alone. I know it's always said, but genuinely, you are not alone. Especially if you're here. You can speak up here. You will not be judged. I'll try and help as much as I can, you know. I can't be there with you physically to, you know, dap you up and give you a firm handshake and the manliest of hugs. But, yeah, just know opening up can be the strongest thing you can ever do if you are struggling with your mental health. Because, you know, it is the hardest thing for us as men to overcome is our own thoughts, and our mental health is always affected by it, you know. The constant pressure to provide, the constant pressure to, you know, want to do the best you can for yourself or your family or for anyone in your surroundings. It is definitely hard. And that's a pressure we all live with as men, you know. By genuinely speaking to those that are listening right now, you ain't alone. Feel free to talk here. If people are going to judge you here, they will not last long here either. Because, you know, I'll roast them and ban them. So I just want to let you all know, okay? Love yous all. Don't fight a silent fight. And speak up. Bees up. A-Town. Do-doot, 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 do-doot. Yeah, do-doot, 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 do-doot. What's up with my homies? Don't take a little beer. Hey, much luck, brothers. Hey, just keep that in mind, eh? I'm not a Bloods, by the way. I don't know if that's what he even says, what Usher says in the song. Just so you know, trying to lighten the mood a little bit, eh? Appreciate you, brothers. And to the sisters out there that may be struggling too. Feel free to talk here, anyway. Oh, congratulations, Link. Cheer, my bro. Okay, let's touch wood, eh? Just listening while playing games. Ooh, are you winning though? If you're watching me, I hope you're winning. Cheer, brother Josh. In which country do you live? I live in New Zealand, or Aotearoa. Yo, chat, did you guys see that guy that got the Monster Energy drink logo tattooed on his throat? And they were calling him the Monster Throat Goat. Dr. K would be inside. Who's Dr. K? Who's that? Hey, do you say, how do you spell? Oh my gosh, I can't even English, bro. You are insanely talented. Oh, brother, yeah, it's been a lifelong, I wouldn't say affair. It's been a lifelong thing, my bro. Wood carving, or Whakairo Maori wood carving. It's been a part of my life since I was 12, my bro. Pretty much 12 years old. I've been doing this for that long, and it's what I love to do, my bro. Like, it's something my ancestors did as well, so all the more reason to why I wanted to do it as well, because I love my culture and my ancestors as well. He has a community called Health Gamer. He is a therapist. Wait. Is he the guy that spoke to Pirate Software? Is that him? Oh, bro, I'd probably fumble with him. His English is so high level. I probably spend half the time with Dr. K saying, "Can you simplify that word down? What does that mean?" Brother, you gotta stop saying all these expensive words, my bro, because man is not clicking. That's what I call big English words, expensive ones. Slow down for me, brother. Slow down now. Just wondering how we can sit this in the voice. There we go. How long do you usually take for you to finish these? I'll be honest, brother, offline, this would have been finished ages ago. I'll probably give this like a day or two. It would have been done, but along the way while I'm carving, obviously, I'm streaming. So I want to have conversations with you along the way too. I don't want to be boring or be like Shaq. I got the chisel, I got the mallet. I'm gonna carve it. I ain't gonna watch it. All right. I'm gonna get the wood and I'm gonna touch it. Everybody know how I be. Everybody know how I be. I'm gonna grab the wood and I don't touch it. I feel that, but he is really good. Oh, yeah. Being like a chameleon, blending in with different people. Does he have a Twitch? I should go and watch one of his streams. Yeah, I was watching this pirate one for a little bit, but that was on YouTube. I'll be honest, I had the attention span of a freaking pigeon that day, and I left. Apologies, Dr. K. Yeah, I had the attention span of a freaking pigeon that day, so I didn't last that long. That was me, bro. Where'd you jump from? This is from Kmart. It was $12. I was like, oh, that's a bargain. I'm getting that. Yeah, you'll never see me wearing Gucci or anything like that. You know those people that wear Gucci bags, wear it to keep it empty? That's kind of silly, eh? In my opinion. You should have been at the Streamer University. I'll be honest, this is me speaking as someone who is 32 with kids. The father and me would have came out if I went to Streamers University because I'll get annoyed with all the loud people. Yeah, I'll be honest. I wouldn't have liked that one, but I mean, collaborating with, your peers would have been top tier. But I'll be honest, yeah, I would have just got annoyed with everyone because they were too loud. Yeah. But I did take away from the streaming university because I enjoyed watching Agents class. Very informative. Because I wanted to watch, some of the lectures just for my own benefit too. And Agents one was probably the most beneficial. And I ended up following him after that too. because I really enjoyed the information that he shared, and it's very helpful. Who's Danny? That's why I say I don't know everyone. I don't know everyone that went to streaming university. I don't even know who Danny is. I don't really keep up to date with all these up and coming streamers. Or are we lining up for a dick joke? Ains the Supreme. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Are you making a mallet? No, we're just doing the end of this carving. So the rest of the carving is down here. We just you're cleaning up the top here. Sorry, brother. Do you watch Street Beefs? Well, like back in the day, like Kimbo and all them. I used to. That was some peak YouTube for me growing up, watching Kimbo. What else did I used to watch on YouTube back in the day? Probably just Kimbo. Kimbo Slice. Yeah, Flightless, we're just doing the end of it now, my bro. We'll probably bevel it. I might end up designing this too. I don't want to leave it blank. How you been though, Flightless? Chill, my bro. Thank you very much for the subs on stream today as well, Fano, and the gifts on TikTok, and to the bro that donated $10 over on YouTube. And thank you to those that have joined the kick stream as well. I might have to set up the follow body. Or maybe I'll set it up when we get more traction on it. Do you use power tools? Yeah, I use power tools when I need to, brother. Like router, orbital, drill. But majority of the time I just use chisels. Chisels, my brother. Oh, that's good to see, brother Flightless. How you been? Where you are? Hey, all's been good here, my bro. Just been trying to focus on streaming, YouTube as well. Doing some stuff outside of the stream, being a dad as well. But you know, that's an everyday thing for me. Being a dad. What's up, Azazel? Aloha, brother. Yo, Rustic T. Rust It. Thank you for the Optimus Prime over on Twitch, my brain. YouTube. It got it. Yeah, so what you can see is we're just getting rid of this excess timber there. It's just a small bit. Using a chisel. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. Oh. Much better. It's getting nice and flat now. Morning Atia, how are you, my brother? It's been hella rainy. Bro, last night was pretty crazy, brother. But hey, it was good sleep. It was good sleep. I always have a better sleep when it's raining. So does my whole household. Alright, let's get this on the way and then we'll draw up our bevels, chat. And yeah, who knows, I might actually design all of this too. Like we could leave this blank, but you know, where's the fun in that? If that makes any sense, you know, leaving it blank. So we'll get rid of all of this for now, and continue from there. Bro, what area are you? What Bro, what time is it now? It's currently 11:02. Is there a different type of wood on the back? No, all the same. All the same, brother. Oh, green against the green shirt. Okay. Bro, whatever that cologne was that he's wearing, it smelled like public toilet. Just saying. What's up, brother? Nathan Allen? Cheer my bro. Yeah, bro, that straight smelled like public toilet, bro. You know those things they chuck in the urinals, boys? Those freshener thingies? That's what it smelled like. I was like, oh, fuck, that's strong. Bro, that was strong, bro. Rubbed one of those blue pills in the pits this morning. Ari? Abdi! What are you doing? Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Thank you very much, Luca, for the roses. Kia ora, brother Luca. Right, there we go. So what we need to do now is this side's lined up perfect. We're gonna do it to this side now. You mentioned Zola and them, dude. Yeah. So the bro Zola, he's in my recommended. So you know, if you go to my about, someone sent. Wait, did they? Shit. So I'm just going back to look for it. Are you sure? Oh no, did I miss it? Who was it? Can you make a wand? I probably could, I won't lie. I probably could. Oh, I can hear baby. Oh no. Yeah, it probably could be pretty hard because it's such a skinny thing to carve, eh? I probably could. So one of my mates, I've actually I was a viewer of his before I started streaming myself. If you want to check him out, Vic, his name's Solekifs, SOLEKEFS. He should be in my recommended in the about section. He should be live today. He normally is. I met him a couple years back for the first time too, and he's been one of the good bros ever since. He was the one that actually got me into RP. Hold on, chat. I've got to take a bit of timber off on this side. And that. Do you still play games, bro? I most definitely do, brother. More in my free time. What I've recently been playing is Elden Ring, Night Rain, GTA RP, getting back into WoW again with Miss and Pandaria this month, and Oblivion. So just trying to juggle up which ones I should be playing. But yeah, those are the games I've been playing recently. Been playing quite a bit of GTA, to be honest. RP lately has been fun. Just haven't really been able to progress with the stories or anything that he's up to lately. Just can't really commit to anything heavy right now with baby. Yo, Mitch Dunn, thank you for the manawa, my bro. Have you tried Division 2? No, I haven't. I have not, my bro. I have not. Okay. I'm pretty happy with where the top is now. So what I want to do with this now, I might get the orbital and we'll touch this up. Hey, what's up, Lifeless? How are you, brother? We might touch this up real quick, like on all four sides, and then we'll bevel it. And I think we'll save the drawing of the design on it for when we do the full art stream. How are you, Lifeless? Yeah, brother. Okay, let me get the orbital. Okay, let's get our things ready. Love the Crocs, by the way. Thank you, brother. Yeah, got a carving comfort, my bro. Have to, my brother. I don't think I've been wearing any other shoe, just Crocs. Man, if I can get a collab or get a sponsored stream with Crocs this year, that'll be pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. A sponsored stream or collab with Crocs this year would be pretty awesome. That'll be pretty gangster if we got that. I ain't gonna lie. If anyone deserves a sponsor, it's you, man. Hey, thank you, brother. Some Crocs from a charity shop in there first. So limited edition. Oh, nice. Yeah, my daughter, because she's going through a Naruto phase at the moment. She absolutely loves it, but her favorite character is Kakashi. And she found out that there's some Kakashi Crocs, but they all sold out everywhere. Like they don't make them anymore. She's like, Dad, can I have these for my birthday? I was like, oh, I don't think they make them anymore, my darling. Yeah, she absolutely loves Kakashi chick. Like she saw Sasuke and Naruto and she's like, they're not ninjas. I mean, why is that? They're not covering their face. I was like, oh, you going with those vibes, eh? Like they're not even covering their face there. They're not ninjas. It's like, hold on now, you about to start a war, man. You about to start a war with everyone. Safe for the workplace, yeah, bro. Where are you from? Kakashi, the second best character. I really like Itachi. Oh yeah, bro. So the way my daughter got into Naruto, so she had a turtleneck skivvy and she put it over her face and she's like, look, Dad, I'm a ninja. And I showed her the opening scene of Naruto and she's like, wait, is this a cartoon? I said, it's an anime. So can we watch it? And we watched the first couple episodes and she was buzzing out at Kakashi. She's like, oh, he's like me. So what she does when she walks around the house, she'll cover. She has a sleeping mask, right? And she'll only cover one eye and put her mask up there and pull her skivvy up. I'm like, holy, you're going full immersion with that, eh? Full immersion there, my girl. And she's like, yeah. That's all we need to do to that, and then we'll bevel the top, and we should be good. Sorry if that was loud. But yeah, as I mentioned, yeah, she absolutely loves Kakashi Sensei. It's her favorite character. And on the plus side, she's a dog person as well, Chit. And I told her that there's like summoning moves that they do. And she saw Kakashi's one. She's like, oh, she was just buzzing out the whole time. The girl wasn't wrong though. Because she saw Ino. She saw Ino, Sakura, Tenten, and all of them, and she was like, nah, Kakashi. She was like, Kakashi's better, dude. Semi-based. Yeah, when she said that, I was like, yeah, based. She knows what's up. Hey, brother from Cardiff. Hey, my brother. What's the time for everyone around the world right now? Remember, if any of you are watching at silly o'clock, you know what time it is. It's bedtime. One a.m. Oh my days. 4:20 p.m. Oh, this guy's about to have a good time by the sounds of it. 6:19. Yeah, just don't stay up too late, eh? I don't want you staying up too late for me, Chip. There will always be other streams, okay? Just want to let you all know. Okay, how am I going to do this one? Setting some bevels, chat. Yeah, I've got to go now. I'm going to pick up my mum today too. Ooh, what's going on here? Okay. Bevels, bevels, bevels. There we go, got it all blocked out now. There's a spider on your shoulder. Oh, it's alright. You are an inspirational and made my day. Hey, as long as your day has been made in some way, shape, or form, brother, I cannot complain. I feel like her and my niece would go to a house on fire. They seem like they have the same energy, bro. She's the female variant of Donny Thornberry at times, bro. Whew. But she's my little hard ass though. Because she does jiu-jitsu as well. She's much rougher than her than her older sister. Yeah, she loves. She's gets quite physical. That kid. Because she tries to It's my birthday today. Hey, hang on. Yo, Micah Bell, happy birthday, my brother. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Remember, just look after yourself and celebrate. No te rā, my bro. Much love to you, and look after yourself on your special day too, my brother. Yo, devil fruit. Which devil fruit though? Devil Fruit User, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very much, brother Devil Fruit User. I appreciate the aroha, my brother. I just said I was just waiting to see what devil fruit he was gonna say. Big man things, isn't it? Sure, brother Micah. Happy birthday, my bro. Design my favorite earrings. Yeah. Do you allow Imgur links? Should be all good. I just at the moment I'm just carving this all. Oh. Ingrain. Hold up. Seeing which way our tree's going. Is it going up? Yes, it is. Hold on, chat. We're following the growth of the tree, so we have to cut up to get a nice, clean cut. Alright. Wait, who's spamming? Sorry if I'm missing it. Man, I always miss all the spamming, eh? Yo, Wolfpack17, thank you very much for the prime today, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated for the aroha as well. Thank you to the primers today as well. And to the brand new tier 1s. I see yous, I see yous. Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel? One moment, chat. Yeah, we gotta try and get the art or the art on the way. That's the next part we gotta do. Draw the design on. If I don't have enough time over the weekend to stream, I may end up doing it offline, eh? Just so we can keep on track. That's the main thing. That's the main thing we got to keep an eye on. Just keeping on track, making sure we're sticking to it. So we don't take too long. Take too long. Love seeing the progress. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're just it's just been like little things today. That's the main thing that we have to get through. Just all the little things today, and just to prep for the main designing that we're going to be doing soon. Oi! Yo, Firebug NZ, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too. Welcome into the stream, my bro. Welcome, 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 and thank you very much, brother. Welcome to the stream. My name is Brox. I'm a wood carver, or traditional Maori wood carver. Have been since the age of 12, and still going, my bro. Still going. I'm now 32. Oh, jeez. There we go. Is this your job? I've been streaming full time for about 5 years now, but I've been carving full time since I was 12. There have been moments where I, don't get commissions. There have been moments where I may have got some, but this is what I love to do in life, brother, and will most likely continue to do so until I'm old as. Looking for a couple hours, but remember the prime. Oh, thank you, my bro. Can I hear an Italian accent? No, you can't. I'm not from Italy at all. Yo, Artemis, thank you very much for the manawa. Are you Maori? Yeah, but a bench. I am, brother. Discord message. Thank you very much, Alice, for the manawas as well. Streaming is the same as when me and my siblings would all sit down and pop a shit, bro. Those were the days too. Me and my cousins did the same thing as well. Well, probably more so me when it came to chilling with my grandparents. I always enjoyed, like, I never really got up to much as a teenager until I left home. Once my older cousins would go to parties back in my hometown, I'd just chill out with my nan and koro for the whole day. That was kind of bliss for me as a young fella. Just chilling out with my grandparents. I genuinely enjoyed doing that when I was young. Do you enjoy rugby? Yeah, from time to time, my brother. Yeah, that was something I genuinely loved doing when I was young. Just spending time with my grandparents. The cool part is when my grandfather went to sleep and to his, I thought they were dumb movies at the time, his Clint Eastwood movies. I'd get the remote and, but it was a slow one though. Had to slowly take the remote off him just so I could watch Zoids. I was only allowed to watch Zoids when everyone was asleep. I'm just lucky back in the day Cartoon Network used to do late night Zoids marathons back in the day. So I definitely got to enjoy my favourite cartoon at the time. Yo, what's up, brother Ed? Cheer up, bro. Bro, I absolutely loved watching Zoids on the weekends, bro. That was so good. All the cartoons from Zoids. Wow. I'm going to stop and talk about cartoons soon. Because that's when they were good. These ones these days are a bit, what the hell? What the hell? Yeah, I think cartoons these days are pretty whack. How you, brother? I'm doing good today, my bro. Good. I'm actually looking forward to going to chill out with baby after streaming. I won't lie. Genuinely. What's some of the old school cartoons we used to watch back in the day? Like, not so much 90s, like early 2000s. Like, trust me, there were some goated cartoons back in the 90s. From Samurai Pizza Kits to Power Rangers. What else was there? Old school X-Men. Back when, the characters had the booties of doom. What else am I thinking? The Hulk. Shinzo, I remember that cartoon as well. Flint, Time Detective, Metabots. Just some of the cartoons from back in the day. Samurai Jack was another one. I can't remember the name of the Beetleborgs was another one too. Thundercats, Thundercats was another one. SWAT Cats too. Trying to remember. OG Beyblades. I always stand on that hill, chat. OG Beyblades are still better than the ones of today, straight up. Yeah, bro, Beetleborgs. I can't remember the name of this one program. They were all like knights, and they all had like specific elements that they specialized in. Like the one will go, the forest around me, the sea beneath me, all those kind of things. I can't remember the name of that program. Beast Wars, yeah, OG Transformers. What else? Anyone else? Yeah, Kids Next Door, Dexter's Laboratory, Real Monsters, Tom and Jerry, yeah, all the like Looney Tunes, all of that, all of those. The more newer ones like Shinzo. What else? Ultimate Muscle. I remember Ultimate Muscle from back in the day too. Knights of, I think so, yeah. Rocket Power. That's an old one. Oh, Lamo. Hey. Yo, Blocker, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. Yeah, Dragon Ball Z. Johnny Bravo. I didn't really watch too much Courage the Cowardly Dog. I did watch Rocco's Modern Life quite a bit though. What's some other ones? Throw some more this way. I'm trying to think early 2000s now. Like we're going into like Zoids, like that, the Liga Zero season and the earlier one before that. Thank you for saying thank you for your sub too, brother. Beavis and Butthead. I'll be honest, I never watched it, I never watched Beavis and Butthead. Ren and Stimpy. Oh, Angry Beavers was another one. Angry Beavers. What was the name of that other anime? And it was like they used cars instead of Beyblades. I remember one of the cars they were called Arc Cavalier. What was the name of that cartoon? What was the name of that? I remember Beta Man as well. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Is another one. Yeah, Metabots was gangster. I remember, who was my favorite? I like Rokusho. That guy. And then Arc Beetle came along. He was pretty gangster as well. Ever played the Yu-Gi-Oh! Game back in the day? Is that old one and you never had any cool cards? Initial... I can't remember. I never watched Initial D. Yeah, I think that was just before I started watching anime on Cartoon Network. Because I remember watching Gundam. What else was it called? There's this one, I can't remember. They jumped on robots. They jumped on the shoulder. Gadgard? Was that one? Was Gadgard one? Yes, Gargoyles, my bro. Was Gadgard ever an anime? I think it was. Yeah, and then Dot Hack, the Dot Hack anime came along. And what other ones did I used to watch back in the day? I think this is when I slowly started watching anime without knowing it was anime, pretty much. You would like, yes, I want to watch that. What now? Yeah, yeah. What's some other old school ones? I can't remember. Far out. There were just so many good cartoons back in the days, eh? And then yeah, back in the 90s, that's when I started watching Far Out. I started watching One Piece in the 90s. The late 90s is when I started watching bloody One Piece. Holy shit. Who remembers Butt Ugly Martians? Far out. I've been watching it for a long time. Played God of all the PS2 games. Yeah, bro, they were mean. They were mean games. Far out. That's some realization stuff right there. Gadgard is the name. You still watch? Yeah, yeah. I remember only watching 2 episodes of Gadgard. Oh, Butt Ugly Martians. Yeah, bro. I remember watching Toonami. Yeah, that was it. Toonami. What else? I'm trying to think of some others. How is Butt Ugly a block term on Twitch? But I used to like their Flint Time Detective one. Flint Time Detective was pretty cool. I just like the different monsters that they came across. There's a doggo. It's a Labradoodle. Inuyasha. Yes, Inuyasha was another one. I remember when he had the big ass sword, eh? I didn't watch too much Inuyasha back in that day, though. Anything on Boomerang? I started on One Piece at around 2007. Holy! Have you watched Avatar? Yeah, watch Avatar. I'm looking forward to the newer one, though. Because it's following an Earthbender this time around. The Warriors, yeah, Warriors was an old school game, eh? Warriors, come out and play, eh? Yeah, that's an old school game. Now we're going into games now, far out. I remember playing an old school game called Taifu, when you play as a tiger. Taifu, what was another one? Wow, there's just so many good memories, eh? You're the guy, hey, paper cut, hello, brother. Yeah, new coming out with the Airbender movie. Isn't it out now? I'm sure it is. I saw one on Net. Oh no, that was the series. I think their series was better than their movie they made. Holy. If you could bend what element, what would you want? Probably water. Because I'll be up when global warming's around. Nah, but genuinely, my favourite bending on Avatar is earth bending. Yeah, if I had to choose, I'd probably choose water because I'll be up when global warming turns up. The Tick Fire, I remember that too. That's an old one, bro. I would go with earth bending. Oh yeah, I like earth bending. It's cool. But yeah, if I had to genuinely choose, this is just me thinking ahead, I'd go water bending. Yeah, what else? No, those are pretty. I think we've all covered all the cartoons that we watched as kids, eh? Thank you very much, Ollie, for the koalas. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, I think we've covered it all. I'd like earthbending because I'm a carpenter. Oh, yeah. Where are we? What's the time? 11:42. Okay. Hey, what up, Jacob Scott? How you, my brother? Alright, let's so what we'll do, we'll bevel the rest of this. And I think that's all we really need to do today is just bevel the end of this carving and we'll be good. And then genuinely we are on the drawing phase, pretty much. the drawing phase of this whole carving. Hello from Virginia. Hello. Wonder how much people have come and gone on the Kick channel. My Kick channel is probably the most inactive because I haven't really, told anyone about it. And since coming back to it. Thank you, Tyler, for the roses. But I might try and build up my Kick channel as well. The main reason why I made a Kick channel was just to secure my name. But I thought, I better, since I'm multi-streaming, I may as well use it too. Try and use it as well, Whānau, and get myself out there as much as I can. All good, Nomadic. Have a good day, my bro. Oh, thanks, you kind of sweet. Sweet like chocolate boy. I remember that song. Da, 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 da. Why did you start wood carving? Because my uncle introduced it to me when I was 12 years old. And essentially when I started, I didn't know, that it was a family thing. A lot of my ancestors were actually carvers in my genealogy. And at a young age, they kind of, I was buzzing out quite a lot. And my uncle, because my uncle used to just observe when he used to teach. And he asked if I've done Whakairo before, and I said no, never touched a tool in my life. And he goes, okay. And after school that day, he sat me down and he showed my whakapapa, which is like genealogy or your family tree. And he spoke about these are all the wood carvers in our family, and now it's come to you. So yeah, as a young fella, I was buzzing out, and as someone who loves his culture and his ancestors, it became something I wanted to pursue in life. Like my dream job before I started wood carving was, or doing Whakairo I should say, I wanted to be a zookeeper. I wanted to be a zookeeper, or working in a zoo, or trying to get into the art department at Blizzard. Those were my goals as a young fella before I, initially chose this path. And I've been on it ever since. And unfortunately, now that my uncle's passed, it just means, we keep his legacy going. Because my cousin always told me that out of all the carvers he's taught, we were the apple of my uncle's eye, because we're carrying on his legacy. Because my cousins weren't really remotely interested in Whakairo and wood carving. And my uncle was very proud to have, gained many students, or a few students that will carry on doing Whakairo. That's always been something he was always most proud of in his life, and I just want to, keep acknowledging that day by day and do the best I can in his memory. Because he was, last time me and him spoke was at my wedding. And He pretty much told me I'm proud of you, my boy. And that was the last conversation I had with him before he passed away out of the blue, unfortunately. It was definitely, you know, caught me off guard. It wasn't something I expected. But, yeah, that's life, eh? Never know. So, yeah, he's one of the big main reasons why I continue to do this. For him. And, you know, for my ancestors, they fought real hard in order for us to have it here today. Because at a point in our history, there was an act of parliament that was passed called the Tohunga Suppression Act, where they made it illegal for everything within our culture to, yeah, like from our language to anything we do within our culture, like even the haka. Yeah, they try to make it illegal, but obviously, you know, with our people, we stand on business. And as you can see to this day, our language is alive and well. I'm doing Whakairo right in front of you. And that's just another reason for me to carry on. You know, another reason. So that the sacrifices they made do not go in vain. Like even right down to some of our forefathers, they went to the war and never returned. Because we had a big generation gap too. Which reminds me, I need to make my submission for the regulatory standards bill. Opposed, of course. There you go. I'm doing an assignment on you for my... Hey, I hope you pass it, my brother. Is there anything you need from me in order for you to get a good mark? I want you to get a good mark, my bro. Is there anything you need from me so you can get a good mark? What's up, these nerds? Oi! Pebbles, random well-being checkup. How have you been, mate? Also, here's some bread funds for my... Hey, Pebbles! Bro, bread is pretty expensive these days. Yo, Pebbles, thank you very much for the $50 dono. I'm doing good. I've been really busy. The last month has been pretty busy with my wife too. Our baby is like a month old now, a month and a couple days. So offline, it has been a pretty busy one, I won't lie, my brother. But for myself, I'm good. Like I've just started, you know, trying to get back into the swing of things with dieting again. I feel good. I've been going to sleep earlier, which is good too. So I've started grinding Pokemon Sleep. But all in all, I'm good, man. I hope you are too. That's very generous of you to do there too, brother. So thank you very much for the $50 dono on YouTube, my bro. Thank you very much. Kia ora, my bro. What's up, T-Lock? Yeah, we're just finishing the last bits of this carving before eventually we start drawing the design on. So that's our next step for this, is drawing the design on. But I think our drawing stream can take place inside. Yeah, that's where it can take place. Thank you, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Straight up. Invite Vulcan Gunpla to join the live. I get random like pop-ups on my screen all the time. What's up, H-Brack? Much love, my brother. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this, chat. There we go. There we go. That's one side. Do the other side now. Thank you very much, Hannah's03 for the gifties. Hey, what's up, Jetwood? So I wasn't here there yesterday, didn't have much time. Lazy. You don't need to say sorry for not being here. Nanathon has been awesome. Yeah, brother, we'll probably I should probably finish it soon. It's been busy. I was planning to do it for a whole month. I think we're almost at the month mark, but hey, genuinely grateful to all those helping out with the Nanathon as well. If you don't know what that is, chat, I've been doing a Nanathon to raise funds for my grandmother's headstone. Hence the reason why we'll be waxing thy chest tomorrow, along with eating very hot noodles. Very, very hot. Ooh. Yeah, so we'll be doing that as well tomorrow. I need to go and buy them too. And so because we've I only expected to get up to 800 in the sub goal, or well, I didn't want to go any further than that. I have to read the Lord of the Rings trilogy as well, because everyone's been wanting me to read a book for ages, so we got to do that too. Okay, last bit. All right. 2. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Everything has been beveled. There we go. All beveled out now, chat. Oi! What's that emoji? What was that? Oh, it's a wolf. Thank you very much, wolf emoji, for the galaxy. Thank you very much, my brother. Okay, we'll smash that out. Thank you very much, my bro. Much appreciated. So the plan right now, since we've beveled everything, on the top, so we've cleaned that up. Cleaned it up really nice. Remember, this is the last bit that comes out after the design. You end up, no, but everyone did say look on Amazon for a Gandalf hat. Yeah, everyone told me go look on Amazon for a Gandalf hat. How much does it cost for a small or medium carving? It kind of depends what people want, eh? Yeah. I think the only last bit that I would like to do is in here. Should I do that now? Yeah, let's do that now, eh? So I don't forget. Okay, let's just carve this bit out, and then we should be good. Hey, brother Mitchell. All right, let's carve this, man. Let's carve this thing right here, man. All right. There we go. Getting cleaner in there. I feel much better than I did 2 days ago. I've been playing with some friends, just doing some fun things. Good on you. Good on you. One thing that's always beneficial, brother, is a log off day. Even better if you do a log off week. Just log off everything, brother, and go and live life. Do your thing. Obviously go to work too if you still got a job, but you know. Yeah, I sometimes I do that. Like if I can't, if I'm not really wanting to, you know, be around social media, I just have a log off day and just go chill out. Go and chill out, my bro. Oh, come on now. It's not locking in. Oh, come on, Vice. Here we go. There we go. Much better. All right. That is him. Well, that's it. Molding. I still need to find my sharpening stone, bro. I still don't know where I put it. Yeah, I still don't know where I put the silly thing. Damn it. Oh, bro, they do tend to touch my things now and again. Or they'll replace it and try and be funny. I have not done a tefa in a long time. I do have one that I'm doing, which is my cousin's one. It's a bit of a project that I haven't really streamed. The main reason why there's this particular carving I haven't streamed because it was done by my cousin. And as I've mentioned him before, it was the last piece he was trying to do before unfortunately he took his own life. So That's why I haven't really shown it on stream. My grandfather gave it to me to finish. Who's the chief of our tribe, and he asked me to finish it. But he also said, "Give it to one of your babies when you finish it." And I went, "No, I've only got girls, and they don't want it." So my cousin, she's got 2 sons now, so I'll most likely give it to her. Oh, it's all good, Shay. This was back when I was back in 2014, I think. Yeah, 2014, and my grandfather gave it to me last year to do. So I was like, "Yeah, I'll do it for you." Keep our indigenous traditions alive, man. Will do, my brother. Will do. Will do, my bro. That's pretty much what I'm up to, what I'm trying to do, my brother. Day 3 of the Super Bowl comment. What's that comment? Question mark? Not sure I follow, my brother. The occasional snot rocket. If you're wondering what this is our carving that we're doing right now. It's not Maui's fish hook. It is a fish hook though. Wahei mato. But this is actually a commission for someone in the Twitch chat. So in my Twitch chat, you can accumulate channel points. And what you do with those channel points is purely up to you. We have chat redeems, but the biggest chat redeem is getting a free Maori wood carving. Thank you, Talon, for the roses, my bro. That's 20 roses. Thank you, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. It's such an important thing. Yeah, bro. Just like recently, earlier in the year, one of my cousins took his own life too. Young fella, had a lot of things going for him. He was in MMA, he was traveling around the world. That's a crab. Thank you, Zyrus, for the crab. And yeah, next thing you know, January 1st, he was gone. And that's why, I genuinely want everyone that is here, if you're going through something, man, please speak up to me if you can. I know we don't know each other, but I'm just someone that cares and wants you to know, that you're not alone. I want you to know that you're not alone. That's something I genuinely want everyone within my community to know, is that, I'm here and I'm willing to, listen and chat. Straight up. Times where you live, it is 12:05. So please, yeah, in any way, shape or form, reach out. If not to me, someone you trust, okay? Or someone you're comfortable with, not someone you trust, I should say. But yeah, once again, do not be afraid to reach out at all. I'll say it again, do not be afraid. Appreciate yous all, eh? Straight up. Just want yous all to know that. Now, with that being said, TikTok, I always start with TikTok first. Hey, I have to finish up the stream for TikTok today. Appreciate you all, but yeah, just know that I mean it what I just said. Just reach out if you're ever in need of someone to talk to. I'll message back straight up. Especially on Discord too. Hey, thank you, Cameron. But for now, TikTok, you have a good day. I'm going to carry on with Twitch, YouTube, and Kick for a little bit while longer before I finish up for the day. So have a good one, TikTok. Ngā mihi nui. And I will see yous all tomorrow. Ka kite. Yeah, once again, Twitch, YouTube, Kick. I mean those words when I say it, eh? Don't be afraid to reach out to me. At all. Just clicked on and how you were doing and caught you speaking about needing help. And weight lifted off my shoulders just now. Yeah, bro. It's like, obviously it's Men's Mental Health Month this month, but I think, every month we should be looking after our mental health as men, not just, a dedicated month. Because we are the ones that do not open up the most in life. And I can fully understand that, like I've done it at times too when I was younger. But yeah, just want you to know, like, if you ever want to chat in any way, shape or form, I'm always in the Discord. There's a get it off your chest section. I'm gonna create a chat room where it can be just like, one-on-one conversations as well. Hey, King Tiger, what's up, brother? Oh, he come over from TikTok, my bro. Choo. Well, looks like we got ourselves a goddamn bastard. But don't DM Broxy, don't reply. Hey, I've been busy with my kids, okay? I saw your DM, I just forgot to message because I went to bed. Cheer, my bro. Cheer, King Tiger. Okay. YouTube and Kick. That is going to be us for today. If you haven't already followed the Kick channel, if you do have a Kick channel, please go through and give us a follow. Or over the next few days, weeks, however much, I'll start investing more into my Kick channel too to make it look cool. I want to start getting a thing for the stream in general to show over there. Those cool little animation thingies everyone's got. Instagram, YouTube, that thingy. I want to add that to the stream too. I don't like having too much stuff going on the screen, so I want to get that as well. Yeah, I want to get that going on. I just need to figure out how to do it, really. Yeah, I just need to figure out how to do it and we should be good. Hey? Oh, shit. My laptop. Oh my god, my laptop's been unplugged the whole time. And I think I just saved it. I think I just saved the broadcast. But yeah, the stream is ending. Yeah, YouTube and Kick, that's going to be us for today. I hope you all enjoyed the stream, no matter what platform you are watching on. Thank you very much for tuning in today, Kick, and we got it and YouTube as well. Thank you to Pebbles for the $50 dono on YouTube too. Ngā mihi nui to you both, and I'll see you next time.